Well, continue some testing today. I had let what was in the container cure in the sun and noticed that it actually ended up becoming very rubbery. And so then I did a couple more tests. Here's a just 100% resin cure in the cup, and this one actually ended up being nice and solid. Basically like a little hunk of plastic. You can't bend it, it's going to break if I try. This one here is a 1-to-1, and it's also very rubbery. But with these, one thing to note is that the alcohol didn't get a chance to flash off. It cured with it effectively. And so that will change things. If I had, let it sit for a day or two, whatever, for all the alcohol to evaporate within the cup, then that might change things. It might go back to being hard. But here's another piece. I tried a 2-to-1. I used a little bit on this to see the spread of consistency of it. And it, again, is pretty soft. It's a little thinner than the last one, but I don't think it matters. It's basically like a little piece of rubber. And so then I started doing hardness tests on it. And so this is the 2-to-1 that I just held in my hand there. And it is way too easy to scuff. And it's not like really digging into it, but it is easy to scratch if I go sideways. Like if you had cats or something like that, or even like a zipper on clothes, if it were on a shelf. I mean, it's soft. And so then I was curious, how are the other pieces faring? The ones that I had done last night. And so this one is the mystery mix of probably like 80% alcohol. And similarly, if I can get an angle on it, yeah, so you can see, easy to scratch. It was nice and glossy. It looked good until you go and try and scuff it up. And this piece here, this one was a 100% piece when I tested with the hammer. And this one, it's a little soft down there. If I really dig my thumbnail into it, it's hard. Some places I can't scratch it, so it's kind of like a hit and miss thing. I can't scratch there for whatever reason, but these areas are soft. I don't know what the difference is. They all spent time out in the sun today for like an hour or so. But yeah, I can't scratch in the middle. I can on the edges. I don't know what the difference is. But second guessing if this is actually viable. Their claim of it being, hard hat hardness, I think is a lie. But maybe there's a different brand resin that's better quality. And so even this thing, see, I'm able to scratch. That's just 100% cure in the cup. And if I flex it, that is actually really hard to break. It doesn't break. It bent a little bit, but that is basically a piece of epoxy. And so it doesn't snap, even though it was nice and hard. So I guess it has good resilience, but poor scratch resistance. Like this, I was hoping to be able to wipe it on, but that is clearly not going to do well. It protects the wood, but does not protect itself.